Hi guys, I'm an esthetician and skincare consultant with over 15 years of experience in the beauty industry. In this video, I will be sharing my best skincare tips and my daily skincare routine. Make sure to watch till the end because I have a very exciting giveaway that you would unwant to miss. Then I highly recommend using a toner because it's gonna help you with the oiliness and also with the enlarged pores. So using a serum is like giving your skin a shot of vitamins, and it's also gonna help your skin barrier function. Now when choosing a moisturizer, you need to know your skin type because our lips are very delicate and they need extra care and attention. So using a lip balm is going to help prevent your lips from chapping, and it's also going to help keep them hydrated. If you have oily skin, then you might want to look for a lightweight gel moisturizer. And if you have dry skin, then you might want to look for a creamier texture. Because at night our skin repairs itself and it renews itself. So using a night cream is going to help support that process. Now when choosing a serum, you need to know what your skin type is and what your skin needs. Now I have a very exciting giveaway that you wouldn't want to miss. I'm giving away a set of Korean skincare products, and all you have to do to enter is to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. The giveaway ends on December 2022, and I will announce the winner in my next video. Good luck everyone. For example, if you have dry skin, you might want to look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, or if you have oily skin, you might want to look for ingredients like niacinamide or vitamin C. The first step is cleansing. Cleansing is the most important step because if you don't cleanse your face properly, all your pores are going to get clogged and you're going to have lots of breakouts. So make sure to use a gentle cleanser that won't dry out your skin. Now this is a very important tip that you need to remember. Don't over-cleanse your skin. Once in the morning and once at night is more than enough. Now this is the most important step because if you don't protect your skin from the sun, all your hard work is going to be in vain. It's going to be a waste because the sun is the one accelerator of skin aging, so make sure to use a sunscreen with at least 30 SPF and make sure to reapply it every 2 hours. The next step is toning. Now this is an optional step. But if you have enlarged pores, or if your skin is on the oily side, the next step is using a serum. Serums are very potent, and they're highly concentrated. Now the next step is using a moisturizer. Moisturizing is a very important step because it's gonna help your skin stay hydrated. The next step is using a sunscreen. The next step is using a lip balm. Now this is an optional step, but I would say it is a very important one. Now the last step is using a night cream. Now this is an optional step, but I would say it is a very important one. So this was my daily skincare routine, and I hope you enjoyed it.